Hey guys, what's up? Great BTC here with a new video update. Some live trading, as you guys can see. I see some of you guys are live on Instagram. Mabonesh says 8.3%. Lots of laughs. Yeah, exactly. All in an hour. And I did say this in the last few hours. I did mention that this was a dead cat bounce and we're going to have a massive crash. So as we speak right now, we can basically tell that the market is all red. Here we go. There's an update for you. So if you're just joining us, please be aware that the rules are pretty much the same. When you join the live stream, first of all, you want to destroy the like button because we always want to get the likes to 1,000 minimum. And then if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you have to because it is the most profitable channel on YouTube. Anybody out there who has been watching my videos has made money. First of all, we're going to look at the profit level of all our trades that we took. And we're also going now to look at some projections. But most importantly, I'm going to show you the trick that I used to short this market effectively. Basically, I was just looking at two key indicators, and as we speak now, it's all great. It's all great. Yes, I'm live on YouTube. Go to YouTube, Crypto Hustle. If you're watching on Instagram, leave Instagram and go to YouTube, Crypto Hustle. In the next hour, I will be in Dubai as well at a meetup. I'll be with Da Vinci, Alex, and a couple other crypto guys. I think probably Crypto is going to be there as well. Elja is also going to be there. So if you're around Dubai tonight, join us at 8 and we're going to have a good time just hanging out with the crypto bros and sisters. Man, this is crazy, man. The crypto markets are insane. And if you don't know what you're doing, you're pretty much in for fun or disappointment if you don't know what you're doing. Yo, we have a lot of people joining us, guys. That's incredible. Yo, everybody just joining us in. Love it, love it, love it, love it. CPI is not good today. Yeah, I told you guys, there were a few key dates to watch out for Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, look at it. 21,000 now Bitcoin. It's already going to 20,000 levels in the next hour. I can promise you that. The smartest thing right now to be is to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, to short, like I said before, Luna. If you still short Luna on the trade that I gave you guys, I will show you where we are at the moment. But most importantly, oh my God, look at that Ethereum chart. But remember, I told you about this simple indicator. Now, look at what's happening to the USD index right now, right? Boom, big green print candle coming in heavy. The Falcon heavy like Elon Musk rocket. But on the other hand, we have the Bitcoin dominance declining already. In fact, we can compare this to the Bitcoin price itself. I'm going to turn off the Nitrous Boost right now. You can see it right here going in. And the bearish signals have been going in for a couple of hours already. But I'm going to switch this to a Bitcoin USD, Coinbase. And you can see today, both of these candles are looking at today's data, today's price action. So the exact opposite. So when I saw, now if you switch this is 4 hour, right? Now let's go to daily of this as well to just do a fair comparison. There you go. Yesterday was all red, Bitcoin was all rising, and now we're seeing a massive rally that is bullish on the USD index. And right now, the Nitrous Boost has now gone bullish on this indicator. So what I'm waiting for, if you go in the 4 hours, you'll be able to see it like this. Now, what I'm waiting for is another candle that's going to go green again in the next 4 hours. Then I'm now going to completely short Bitcoin even more, especially altcoins, because they're going to be destroyed heavily. So This is pretty much intense stuff, you know. Luna Classic Pump, not a good time right now to be looking at things like Luna. The smartest thing, like I said before, if you want to make money on Luna, was to short it. Okay, so let's look into Luna right now, into our scalping desk. This is the Bitcoin long-term chart, going back into the red zone area already. And I think things are going to be difficult here, guys, for Bitcoin, but it is what it is. So this is what BTC is looking like. I'm going to switch to 240 minutes candles. And you can see Nitrous Boost already call it bearish with one candle smash. Oh my gosh. Entering the red zone. And the only way here, guys, is down. You can also see the histogram here in the MACD is also increasingly. How do we say these words? Incredibly bearish. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, let's look at the trades that we have made, you and I, together, starting with Luna 2 USDT. By the way, now you can short Luna on Bybit, Luna Classic, and Luna 2. Link to Bybit is down in the description. Use my link. You get massive bonus for that. So this is Luna. Since you and I shorted it, it has even exceeded our profit target. I told you guys a couple of days ago that this is a money printer for us. You literally just have to follow the trade. And here is where we are at the moment. There we go. So it means that since we shorted, we are already at a profit of 40% without taking any leverage. Numbers don't lie. Here we go. 40% without leverage. If you shorted with leverage, you now can see that if you took 10x, you have made 400% profit right now. If you made only 3x, it means you are up 120%. So you have more than doubled your money already in a couple of days, right? And this is the beauty of cryptocurrency. Someone here says, I missed out on the Luna short. What is it too late? I don't think it's too late. When Bitcoin is falling, pretty much everything else follows with it. But mainly the reason why Bitcoin is falling, we have to discuss it. So this is the piece of news. Bitcoin, Ethereum drops 5% in an hour amid hot US inflation figures. The leading cryptocurrencies in Bitcoin and Ethereum shared several points on Tuesday's morning following the latest consumer price index print. By the way, the consumer index numbers have been released a couple of hours ago. Shortly after the CPI numbers were released, both Bitcoin and Ethereum dropped hefty gains earned over the week. Today, the index revealed an 8.3% increase in the basket of goods it represents compared to August last month. This represents 0.1% increase since the July reading, beating expectations and suggesting that inflation might be more stubborn to beat back than expected. So inflation basically is not good for Bitcoin. So as more inflation is being printed, markets are becoming a lot more conservative, and this is also going to influence the Fed to pretty much hike up the interest rates even more, and that is coming as well. Now, if this is going to take, like the CPI is already taking Bitcoin down around the 20K levels, in the next, in a week or so, we're now expecting the Fed rates hike, and if they hike it again, that's when things could get shady for Bitcoin. We can see even worse when it comes to Bitcoin dumping on itself. So Focus Teddy says, made some money on gold, 250 pips, short CPI. Yeah, congratulations, sir. Richard Thomas says, yeah, what's up? Do you use any software for trading, you mean? For trading, I use technical analysis, and then for signals, I use Nitrous Boost, and I also use the EMA indicator, and I also use, let me just show you what I use. You go to cryptouniversity.network, you go to indicators, we go to EMA trading, trend momentum strategy, and visual assistance. These are a Nitrous Boost. These are the indicators that we have, and you can buy them there as well anytime to simplify your trading life. Basically, in times like this, you want to simplify yourself, your life. You just look at the trend. Nitrous Boost says bear. Okay, you short it, and you keep quiet. And then you wait for the next signal, and on and on. So that's pretty much how it works. Creative Unicorns says hit the like button. Absolutely. And guys, if you want to support the channel, by the way, you now have an opportunity to support it by becoming what do you call it? To join the community on the YouTube channel. There's a button there that says join or see perks. If you click on that link, you will be able to support the channel by becoming a member. Please reduce the amount of the Nitrous Boost, please. What do you mean? You mean how the frequency of the signals? Well, the frequency basically depends on the time frame that you're trading. So if you look, if I switch this to, for example, let's say you're trading at 5 minutes, right? On 5 minutes, you're going to get several amount of signals. Oh, but man, even the 5 minutes is good. Check it out. So in 5 minutes, you would have a signal here about 2 hours ago, and then another signal here about 5 hours ago, and then another one about a few hours from then. So you can have more signals, but the shorter the time frame, the risky it is, because shorter time frames are not really that reliable, right? If you use longer time frame, is usually good, right? So 4 hours is pretty safe. Daily, it's pretty safe. Even an hour, depending on how volatile the market is. So if you want to decrease the frequency of signals on Nitrous Boost, all you need to do, increase your time frames. I'll give you another example. So here we're going to switch to, let's do this. So this is a 4 hour. Let's see the time between the current time frame, the current candle and the previous one. So I'll do a date range. There we go. So you see, the last time you had a signal was exactly 4 days ago. 4 days and 16 hours. Easy. So it means the last trade you could have made would have been about 4 days ago to go bullish. Then you could have been riding all the way up, going up if you long or you buy spot and you make money. And now you have seen the bear signal. Well, you either wait for confirmation or you just sell or you go short. And then you wait for the next signal. It's really that simple. You can buy the Nitrous Boost at cryptouniversity.network, just so that you know. But, you know, now I was looking in the morning about some potential trades, especially on the altcoins, on the altcoin side, even though now this is quite shady already. But the way I'm looking at this, let's go back to this chart. Okay, I was looking at other coins that haven't moved, like Litecoin, that usually follow when Bitcoin starts to rally. You know, the next ones are usually coins like Litecoin to take shape. And I was looking at the monthly chart on Litecoin. It pretty much had flattened out completely on a monthly, and there is great potential for this coin to now start pumping and going up. So it has pretty much visited the same levels that it was in 2020, which is absolutely ridiculous, but also good for trading, right? It means it's safe to buy Litecoin right now if you want to really get into it. It's a safe bet in a way that, you know, it'll always recover if you buy it. So this is another trade that you guys, you can look into it and you can pretty much buy. Okay. So you can buy these levels, and whenever it just does one major move, maybe on the upside, Litecoin could make you a lot of money. You can see even today, everything is red, but Litecoin is pretty much unaffected. It's green, up 0.72%. So because it has completely flattened out, we call this a consolidation area. So from a consolidation area, we can now expect multiple levels of where it could, we can see resistance where it could be stopped when you start pumping. So this is on a monthly, by the way. So if you're looking at a monthly chart, you have to be aware that you're not going to buy a coin based on a monthly chart analysis and then you're expecting the gains tomorrow. What I mean is that you could buy in these levels, then this trade could take a month or two. But then if it goes well, you could double your money on it. That's all I'm trying to say. So Litecoin is a good trade. We can even turn on the Nitrous Boost to see where the next resistance level is if you want to. You see, it has gone bullish, it has gone bearish in June 2021. So if you're trading on a monthly chart, Nitrous Boost already told you that short Litecoin all the way back in June 2021. To this day, it hasn't printed a bullish candle. It means that you just have to be patient and do what you're told. So here, we're on these levels, we're now starting to look for a bullish signal, or you can just start buying spot. But whenever you see a breakout out of these consolidation levels of 3 months, which is pretty constant, you can now start going long and so on and so forth. So I would put that level somewhere around here. I would put it somewhere around $69. You know, if it breaks out, especially 71.77, it's pretty much above all the blow of tops, and then you can continue to take it all the way up and make money with that. If you're enjoying the live stream, please destroy the like button. I'm showing you guys how to make money, right? Nobody else on the internet does it. Everybody just run the mouth and lie to you guys, but I show you all the trades, and every day we're printing. So the least you can do for me is to destroy the like button, okay? And again, if you're in Dubai, you can meet me tonight at the Conrad Hotel. I will be there with Da Vinci, Jeremy, Alex, Crypto, a couple other guys. Who else is going to be there? I forgot. Oh, Elja from Twitter is going to be there. He's an NFT trader. So feel free to join us. Drinks on me tonight. You guys, see you there. Someone says CHR. What about, have you ever heard of Monster Infinite? No, I haven't heard of it. Focus Teddy says, thanks boss, can't wait to be a millionaire next year. Yeah, man, you will be. Crypto is there for you for the taking. Trade, learn how to trade, be consistent. Don't be scared of the market, but don't be stupid too. Do not risk your rent money or school fees money or your children's school fees money. Then you will be fine, right? It's really that simple. So this is Litecoin. I was just looking at it because now what we do now, this is some trading game that some of you guys can learn from. So you see, when you see a coin like this, these are the levels that you want to now start accumulating stuff. You know, you basically want to start buying here like an idiot. Nobody is going to be talking about this coin or anything like that. It's just chill. It's boring. There's no money to be made in the short term, but then when it pumps, you will be able to make a lot of money safely. Trades like these that are long term, that takes time to implement, are actually better. They're much safer than, for example, seeing Luna pumping and then you're getting started to start buying Luna, right? So Luna is not something you want to touch at the moment. You have to wait for these kind of situations to happen again. And there are multiple other coins that are having the same kind of scenario, so to speak. For example, you can also look at another one is Polygon. I mean, Polygon is not looking as beautiful as that, but if you look at Matic, it has been having a lot of good news, but at the same time, not much really is happening yet. However, on the monthly, Nitrous Boost has gone bullish here. This is Matic for you, right? So it really hasn't reached its consolidation area, which it's more likely not going to go there because it's a new coin and it has seen, it's now trying to create a new base of support, which it hasn't yet for months. I don't think it's going to go all the way under, right? But we can expect somewhere around 0.3 in the worst case scenario possible. But I don't think that buying this coin right now is a bad play at all. Starting to buy around these levels, even lower. So, right, so you can see there's a bullish signal here, but the month is still in effect, so we have to wait. Is it going to close above? But this already right here is a good sign to be seeing that this coin is having some signals. Emmanuel says, expecting a pump midterm. Exactly. Look, there will be a pump towards the end of the year. It's going to be a party. That's why buying coins like Litecoin and others is pretty much a big play. It helps. My Paxful account is being hacked and my email and number is still intact by the person used 2FA. I can't log in. Please, as a genius, what can you do? You need to reach out to Paxful on all platforms: Twitter, email, support chat with, and you cannot log in. So try to tweet to Paxful immediately on Twitter. Not DM them. You just have to post. When you tweet, make sure you tag all the founders, Ray Paxful, Atur from Paxful, and a couple of other guys who work there, and you should be able to get help. Okay, if you tag me in that tweet, I will retweet so that they can see it faster, because I'm verified on Twitter. You should be able to see it much faster. Okay, if you Chris says I want to join, yeah, we have a meetup, a crypto meetup in Dubai at the Conrad Hotel. So just show up, you'll be fine. We'll see you there. So, with the CPI index, it's going to shake up the market, but there will be some loot to pick up on the ground. Obviously, Bitcoin is crashing, but the moment it finds, this is a temporary kind of piece of news, it will find its support, I think, somewhere around 20,600 levels. We should be able to see some stability. However, if the news or the reaction becomes worse, we should expect another capitulation down to 19K levels, which will see altcoins at even a much worse situation. Right. So I will do another live stream tomorrow. That's going to be purely based on altcoins, which ones are good buys that have the same chart pattern as Litecoin, which we can start buying, speculating on the end of Bitcoin is going to 20K levels now, standing. Oh my gosh, it's happening live. There we go. Boom, it broke it. Because of my big head, you cannot see it, but it's right there. Now we're at 20,989. Oh, it keeps going down. Keeps going down, guys. Bitcoin price movement detected.
Crypto price movement detected.
Conrad Hotel is the one in Sheikh Zayed Road. Is that one? Sheikh Zayed Road. I think it's the one in. Is it Financial Center? I don't know which one, but I know it's in Sheikh Zayed Road. So there is a crypto meetup there. Show up. We'll see you guys there. All right. So yeah, this is Bitcoin. I told you guys there's gonna be a sharp major crash because of all the news looming. This was a dead cat bounce. Do not get super excited. And mostly I was short personally, and I'm in the profits. So most of you guys are also in the profits if you're in the group and things like that. I gotta go now. Thank you guys for watching an emergency live stream like this. But I just wanted to share what's going on. Yeah, exactly. It needs to retest 20,600 based on the 200 moving average. Peace, guys. Destroy the like button. I'll see you tomorrow.